Hello everyone, welcome to this Gallery Teachers TEFL Masterclass. Today we are going to be speaking about young learners at summer school. We're going to be looking at the summer school and the wonders that are summer school. We're going to be looking at that from a teacher's point of view. We're going to be looking at how summer school teaching is different to that of year-round learning. And we're going to be looking at how we can help new teachers or teachers who are new to the summer school environment with some tips and some tricks and some new techniques, perhaps are going to help them embrace what is essentially the wonderful world of summer school. We want to give our young learners the very best experience we possibly can, and by being prepared for that and by being prepared for our summer school environment, we will be able to give them the best experience and get it right first time.